Thank you for joining me in this evening meditation. My name is Raveena, and I'm honored to guide you through this practice. Together, we will embark on a journey of relaxation, self-discovery, and inner peace. Let us begin by finding a comfortable position, whether you're sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes and take a moment to settle into this space of stillness and serenity. As we delve into this meditation, I invite you to let go of any distractions or concerns from your day. Allow this time to be solely dedicated to nurturing yourself and reconnecting with your inner being. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Take a slow, deep inhale, filling your lungs with fresh, revitalizing air. And as you exhale, release any tension, allowing your body and mind to soften and relax. With each breath, imagine yourself sinking deeper into a state of profound tranquility. Feel the weight of the day being lifted off your shoulders as you surrender to this moment of peace and stillness. As we continue, I invite you to become aware of your body. Scan through each part, starting from the top of your head, down to your toes. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort, and send a gentle breath of relaxation to those areas, letting go of any tightness or resistance. Now, let your attention rest on your heart center, the seat of compassion and love within you. Visualize a warm, glowing light emanating from this space, radiating outwards, enveloping your entire being in a soft, comforting embrace. As we move forward, remember that thoughts may arise during this practice. Acknowledge them with kindness, but gently let them go, bringing your focus back to your breath and the present moment. In this space of quietude, allow yourself to simply be. Release the need for any expectations or judgments. Embrace the gift of this precious time for yourself. As we conclude this introduction, take a moment to set an intention for this meditation. It could be to cultivate inner peace, to find clarity, or to connect with your inner wisdom. Hold this intention in your heart as we continue our journey. As you breathe, let your attention rest on the sensations in your body. Notice the feeling of relaxation spreading throughout your muscles, as if each breath is bringing you deeper into a state of calm and tranquility. With each exhale, imagine releasing any lingering tension or stress from your body and mind. Let go of any worries or thoughts that may arise, allowing them to dissolve into the peaceful space of your awareness. As you continue to breathe, bring your awareness to your heart center once again. Visualize the warm, radiant light within your heart expanding, filling your entire being with love, compassion, and acceptance. Now, as we approach the end of this meditation, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Take a few deep breaths, slowly bringing your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gradually awakening your body. When you are ready, open your eyes, and take a moment to savor the lingering sense of calm and tranquility. I would like to express my gratitude to each one of you for joining me in this meditation. May you carry the peace and serenity you have cultivated into your evening and throughout the night. Wishing you a restful sleep and a beautiful night. Good night and thank you.